Hi, it's Edlin. For switching to zero, one of the first and most important steps in is entering your conversion balances. In this quick video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. So what is a conversion balance? When you move your books to zero, conversion balances represent your account balances on the day you start using zero. This is called your conversion date. So let's enter the conversion balances in zero. From the dashboard, go to Accounting, Advanced, and click Conversion Balances. Now, let's set up your conversion date. Click Conversion Date. So if you will start to use zero by July, click July. And the year 2025, let's say. Next, enter your balances. In the conversion balances screen, you'll enter your account balances as of June 30, 2025, the day before your start date. Okay, enter balances into the debit and credit columns using your trial balance. To add a new line, click here. For example, accounts receivable, 3,200. It's payable, 500. ANC, 26,300. GST payable is credit, 120. Service revenue, credit, 1,000. Advertising, debit. Utilities, debit. And owners, capital, 15,680. Then click save. That's it. You've now entered your conversion balances in zero. This simple step takes just a few minutes, but it sets the foundation for accurate, reliable numbers moving forward. Thank you.